My buddy buds. Hey, how you doing too? God bless you. God bless you, buddy. Hey, be nice. Don't tell him be nice. You wanna be nice? Hey, be nice. Aww. Hey guys. Hey guys. My buddy buds. My buddy buds. My buddy buds. See you, buddy. See you. See you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. See you, buddy. This is the rapids they have the most trouble with. So a lot of them get caught up all in here. They give up and they lay their eggs here. Well, not a lot, but it seems like the majority of them, because you see them, they're dead, right? And all the birds come and eat them. And this is pretty high compared to the other one over there. Yeah. I normally see them pooling around here. I don't see them. The weather's been so messed up though. They started running early, but they last at least a month. So it's not like I'm late or anything. I bet you when we go further down, they're all going to be eaten. You see all the birds eating them up. I'm just starting to smell fish now. Got to wonder why strange guys stare at other guys when you're walking through a park. Yeah, just had one walk past me. Totally fucking gazed right on me like Deathlock. And take his gaze off me. Maybe if I turn around, he's probably still looking at me. I got nothing against it, just when they stop, follow you, come up to you, approach you, and all that kind of bullshit. And it seems the ones around here like to follow you the most, because they know, it looks at some people, they know not to mess around. And then there's crazy people too. So it's hard to tell the crazies from the weirdo dudes that hang in parks looking for other dudes. Aww. Aww. So yeah. Just kind of gets on my nerves. And out here, you're in the outskirts of the city, so there's not as much of that activity. So when those dudes are there, they're more active because of that. They try harder, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, that's another story. Hey guys. Hey guys. It's okay, buddies.
Also because right across the street from my children's playground, I might have to sit here outside having a beer in the future. And walk this way, playing the playground.
I just saw a tent. So according to this, I got another 4 minutes of video. So I'll shut her down until we get to the other side. But I'm pretty sure that's it. There ain't gonna be no more. I normally just choke the bloke up here. Choke the bloke. It's a Scottish term. I choke the bloke. Not even a carcass. Nothing. Definitely peaceful. That's all, folks.